Hello, my name is Roland and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a title block in a Revit. Let's get started. Our project is open. Any project you are working on. So this one is open. Under project browser, go down, select sheets, click right, new sheet. Select the size of the sheet. In my case, I'm going to use 30 by 42 E1. Select OK. This is the template we are going to use. Now we just need to change all this information here. Now in order to change this, we going to under sheet and name, which is one is selected. I have one already here. This is not the one I'm using. Just go and just delete that one. So this one, click right and rename. Instead of A102, we can rename it P-001 and name level 1 ground floor. Okay. From this change we can see here now we have P001 level 1 ground floor. Double click here. We need to remove this standard logo, delete. We can replace on with anything we have. If we have a logo, go insert image. We select, I do have an image here front, for example this one, and click here, size, we have the company logo, the website we can update to a new website. For example, this is the website I just came up with, and everything here can be changed. The client name, double click. Now this one is not a text. If you click, nothing gonna happen. So in order to change this, we select edit and let duplicate always, so we don't need to change everything. We call this, instead of, we can make it 1/3, but this is just a name. And now the size, if we think this is too large, change it to 1/3, and then okay, you can see it has changed. If we need also to change the font, we, instead of Arial, I can go Times New Roman, and okay, so this is Times New Roman with a different size. We can change these two, select both, go edit. In this case, we just go and select the name the type we created, 1/3, and okay, now it's changed to Times New Roman, and same here. Now in order to change the name of the client, click here and go edit label. Came up with a name, US building. Okay, this is the name of the client. The name of the project, same procedure. Name of the project, US building, for example. Project name, we have it, and sheet name, we can change the sheet name to something like isometric view, just an example. Okay, this is the text, so you can change it if you want to, and this is a label. In order to change the label, you select and come to edit label. Now project sample, you can have the project number here, and then the date, same. You go January, just an example. And then drawn by, this is a text, we can change it, or we come here, select, this is a label, edit. Instead of drawn by, we can change it to the author, so select author and put it back, and just get rid of drawn by. And the author, let me just put my name, the author is Roland. And checked by, same here. If we have a checker, select and write the name of the checker. Okay, the next is to go to manage project info. Project info, we're going to change the author. The author is, just put your name or the name of the author. Date, issue date, for example, project status, the owner of the project or your client. The address, project name, for example, project number. Okay, now we can see we have the client, the project, the name of the project, and everything has changed. After adding everything we want, now we can populate the sheet with the plan, for example this. That was enough for today, and next time we are going to work on something different. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.